Hey everyone, welcome back to your search buddy. Today we will start with X-ray diffraction, or we will talk about X-ray diffraction and Bragg's law of diffraction. To find out Bragg's law of diffraction, let us consider a set of planes. So here we have a set of planes here. This is first plane, second plane, third plane and fourth plane. We have number of planes, and the distance between these planes, as we have discussed in previous lecture, is represented by small d. Okay, so let us consider a parallel beam of monochromatic X-rays of wavelength lambda be incident on the planes at a glancing angle theta. Okay, so at any angle theta we are incidenting X-rays, and these are two set of beams. We are falling over this set of planes, beam A and beam B. Two set of beams we are incidenting on the crystal axis, and also after reflection they are getting A dash and B dash. Now let AP and BQ be two parallel beams. These are AP, and let me draw here AP and Q, and this AP and BQ are two parallel incident rays are reflected from point P and Q on the crystal planes and travel along PA dash and QB dash, okay, respectively. If the path difference between AP A dash, A P A dash and B Q B dash is an integral multiple of lambda, there will be a constructive interference and maxima will be observed. Okay, so if path difference is integral multiple of incident wavelength, then there will be constructive interference, as we know that, and at that point the maximum will be observed. Okay, so from point P, what we are going to draw a PM perpendicular to BQ. So let's say this is perpendicular, we are drawing to this BQ line from P, and from same point we are drawing perpendicular to BQ. Okay, and all right, so the angles are theta, and these points are named as, let's say this is M and N. Okay, so by using right angle triangle, we have two triangles formed here, that is MPQ and NPQ. So in right angled triangle, that is MPQ, what we can find out sin theta from here, that is sin theta is equals to MQ over PQ. Okay, and from here MQ is equals to PQ sin theta, and we know that the value of PQ is equals to D. So MQ is equals to D sin theta. Let's say this is my equation number 1. In the similar manner, in a right angle triangle NPQ, in right angled triangle NPQ, again find out sin theta, which is again equals to NQ over PQ, and from here NQ is equals to PQ sin theta, and again PQ is equals to D, and this is my equation number 2. Okay, and we know that if the path difference between APA dash, that is beam A and beam B, path difference is, so path followed by beam A is A P A dash. This is the path followed by beam A, and beam B is following path B Q B dash. So if the path difference between these two beams is integral multiple of lambda, then it is constructive interference. Right now the path difference we can find out path difference between AP A dash and PQ B dash can be written as delta is equals to BQ B dash minus AP A dash, right? And here this beam BQB dash and APA dash can be divided into, as we can divide this BQB dash as BM plus MQ plus QN plus NB dash. Okay, so we can divide this BQB dash as BM plus MQ plus QN plus NB dash, right? And this APA dash can be divided into AP and PA dash. So we have AP plus AP dash, and here BM plus MQ plus QN plus NB dash minus AP minus AP dash. Okay, so as we know that path followed by beam, let's say this is beam A up to A to AP is equals to B to M, and also from N to B dash and P to A dash the path followed is same, and so we have left with, and this is going to be cancelled out as we have a negative sign here, that is BM is going to cancel out with AP because this is equal and opposite path difference, and NB dash with AP dash. We have left with MQ plus QN, that is delta, and by using equation number 1 and equation number 2, that is MQ and NQ value we can we are having, that is D sin theta plus D sin theta, which is equals to 2D sin theta path difference. Okay, and we also know that for constructive interference the path difference, that is lambda is equals to this delta is equals to n lambda, where n is equals to 1 2 3 up to so on. So let's say this is my equation number 3. So by using this property in equation number 3, what we are getting, delta is equals to n lambda is equals to 2D sin theta, and from here we can calculate 2D sin theta is equals to n lambda. This is called Bragg's law of diffraction, okay, and X-ray diffraction. Alright, so thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video, and if you have any question you can comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.